Okay, so here's my room tour, everybody. So here's my Charlie Brown blanket, and my room's not like that good. Like, I have my camera just laying here. A video script that was like made 2 years ago that I really wanted to do a recipe. But I'll just put my camera over there. But here's my favorite movie, A Silent Voice. That means spring. That's just Boruto Next Generation. Not Naruto. Naruto Next Generations. Fairy Tale Scroll. It's pretty nice. My Hero Academia poster. Five Nights at Freddy's poster, like, from Twisted Ones. Okay, let's first I'm gonna show you like tons of good stuff. Oh yeah, and then that I like that. And then so over there, it's just oh wow. And then there's like there was this Star Wars Lego set. I disassembled it to make like a cage. It was supposed to be like a good cage, but I made bad my room isn't fully set up, but this I'm gonna add more statues, Deco, and then Kirishima, Mario coin, Smash Bros Ultimate coin, Lucario coin. I like that one. I like the Seattle Space Needle, the Empire State Building. I got those a long time ago. Here we go. This is my Five Nights at Freddy's set. I've been collecting. Oh yeah, and also this was who was it? Baby or something. Yes, that. But I just painted it to look like Pennywise. That was really hard. Just here, just like stuff I organized it. And then over here is another collection. Like I set it up, like how it would be, and then there, and there, and then Ennard is in the back. Wait, is that his name? I don't know. I forgot. Yeah, oh, Freddy. Oh, and also this guy's like humongous. And going Freddy Nui doing the Naruto run. T-pose, dab. That I also really like that rover over there. I'm a pretty big fan of space, and also I just got there's some other stuff like a whole pop. Here we go, like aluminum foil balls. I like making those. Well, yeah, this is what I liked. 2018, 2000 something was like Pokemon. 2000 like something Pokemon. No, I actually got this from someone else. And 2017 FNAF, YouTube, It, Clash Royale and stuff. And then 2018 Nintendo, Mario, Canon, Android. There's not enough space on it anymore, so I can't put what I like. Anime. No. And then here, oh, I got a good collection. Just there. Now, got tons of them. I've been collecting them. Oh yeah, and also a YouTube one. That was really cool. My uncle made that for me. Well, and then now my Five Nights at I almost got all of them. My Five Nights at Freddy's. There we go. Up there's me and my brother being painted like I was the Hulk. And also the thing that I'm holding is a tank. And my brother's Iron Man. And I got some stuff up there. And then here I am. Haha. And yeah. So I'm just gonna I got some other stuff. I'm gonna just blur it out because that's like my first name and last name. And then here we go. got a Pikachu pinata, an ocarina, and then here my violin, my books, and an angry gingerbread man, and just stuff here. Here's my boxes. I really like some, and like, and here's like the Wonder Ball. These are pretty cool. I like the pops. Oh yeah, and also over here, because I still play with but I'll get to that later. But here's like a Chinese Lucky Knot. They're very hard to make. Got second place once in like a sports camp, and I think it was like dodgeball. Here's a box with stuff in it. Down there is Mr. Serious Man. His face lights up. Like he's very angry, and also this will give you, like, if you look at it too long, he will give you seizures. He will give you seizures. Down there's my Bendy, my Pops, that Burger King Arcanine toy. Yeah, I got some stuff down there. Like some volumes of manga. Got some cool stuff in there. And then, oh yeah, I don't, the light! No, the light! I can't use too much energy because that'd be bad. Here's like the Chinese Zodiac. Here's a Zelda puzzle. Here's another Zelda puzzle. And here's the Garbage Patch dog. No, it's actually like a Beanie Baby, like a large one. But here you go. Okay, Google, repeat after me. I am something. I am something.
You said, I am something.
Great job. Okay. So here's another Lucky Knot. Here's a thing at a hotel that I got souvenir, and then also like a little flower. I like it. And then that's going to be it for the room. I can't speak. That's gonna be it for the room tour. See, I'm posting a lot of videos. And also this week's gonna be different than the normal schedule might be. So yeah. Okay. Noodle out. Wait, no, that was me. I was like Noodle out.